We're maintaining optimal pressure here.
Confirmed. The hydraulics are running smoothly.
A precise quantity of Arbequina olives is extracted and transferred for immediate inspection, confirming the start of our quality control procedures. We have an exceptionally low acidity reading, confirming the extra virgin reserve designation.
The testing results confirm the batch meets the stringent criteria. We are cleared for immediate processing on the floor.
This cross-section shows the ideal cellular structure necessary for maximum yield and the flavor purity required.
At the routing junction, the critical cross-ration law acceptance is followed.
Checking the levels on Hopper 3.
Lubrication point accessed and greased.
Swifting. The dense mass of Arbequina olives is held momentarily before the heavy-duty screw auger begins its slow turn.
Stews. The cleaned Arbequina olives enter the mill, moving directly into the malaxation tanks.
Temperature is holding steady at 25.
Good. We must maintain the cold extraction standard for the reserve oil.
Turns for usage of Porvatilla Sabalas. The audio features the sounds of our environment in the operation of a gas chromatograph.
This is the process B zone, where the transformation begins.
The finished olive pomace sacks are automatically labeled for traceability. A robotic arm then
Coming back nice and slow.
Okay, hold it there. Apply the brakes.
Pressure levels look good on the main gauge.
Temperature is holding steady at optimal efficiency.
Confirmed.
Second. As you can see, we are running at a highly efficient 45 gigawatts, the low emission rowatts.
Check the tension on that lower gear.
Reading optimal, go ahead and secure it.
The data clearly demonstrates the environmental benefits. We are seeing remarkably low levels of particulates.
The bearing temperatures are stable.
Confirmed. No heat buildup on the augers.
This advanced closed-loop system manages the final residue, demonstrating our commitment to environmental compliance and The analysis checks out, and the consistency is spot on. This is exactly what we need for the fields.
This olive pomace enriched blend replenishes the soil's organic matter, illustrating the sustainability of the finished product.
This system allows us to apply the pomace with precision, ensuring maximum erosion control.
Acknowledged, maintaining flow.
I've signed off on the bulk delivery. The quality specifications are all within tolerance.
Perfect, thank you. Everything seems to be in order.
See, it significantly improves the water retention. That's exactly what the raised beds need this summer.
The use of olive pomace as a soil conditioner has transformed this municipal park, a true ecological